guys, it's Lin, and yes, there's a huge replica of the Tokyo 2020 Olympic gold medal behind my bike. This giant medal is a highlight for the Olympic Agora, a unique cultural project that is described as the place where sport meets arts and cultures. During the period that this project takes place, there are several artistic installations and exhibitions to be enjoyed for free by the public in Nihonbashi, Tokyo. Inside Mitsukoshi Maya Station, the closest station to the main venue of the Olympic Agora, you can find many Olympic-related artworks printed on traditional Japanese curtains. This is known as the Noren Curtains project. These artworks were created by 5 Olympians and 1 Paralympian who are not only good at sport but also have artistic talent. Because of COVID-19, I don't really feel like Olympic is actually happening in Tokyo, but now that I'm seeing all of these artworks, I can somehow feel a part of the Olympic spirit. As soon as I get out of the train station, I can see buildings decorated with Olympic banners. As I mentioned before, there are several different installations and exhibitions being held here, so I'm going to show you guys each of them. First, let me take you to the Olympic Spirit exhibition. After getting inside, I headed to the 3rd floor for the exhibition. I am now at Zone 1, and this area is dedicated to explaining about the purpose of the exhibition as well as the Olympic Games. Zone 2 is where all of the official Olympic posters are displayed. Here I can go way back to the past and see every poster made for Olympic from the very first one in 1896 to the most recent one in 2020. As I walk down this hallway, it's just amazing to see how the poster change over time and how the city where the Olympic took place affects the design of these posters. Moving to Zone 3, I can see all of the torches that were used in the Olympic Games. Similar to the official posters in Zone 2, the design of every torch is unique, and I can see the national identity showcased in each torch as well. The whole room is completely dark, but each torch is well lit, so it was easy to see every single detail on it. My favorite ones were Los Angeles 1984 and Seoul 1988. You can also find the information of each torch from the official website of this exhibition, so I will leave the link for that in the description box down below. The latter half of Zone 3 is for displaying costumes used in the opening ceremonies of the Olympic. Somehow I have never really watched any Olympic opening ceremony before, but seeing how all these costumes are so well made with my own eyes, I could tell how much each country invested on this ceremony. Among all of this, I find Chinese costumes to be the most detailed and impressive. What about you? Feel free to let me know which one is your favorite in the comment box. At the bottom, there are several screens, and here you can see the real footage from each opening ceremony. After seeing this, I became interested and actually searched for videos of several ceremonies on YouTube. Right now, I'm heading to Zone 4. In this area, right in the middle, you'll be able to see the medals from all of the Olympic Games. The medals look quite similar to each other, but also differ in size and design. The wall surrounding this area is filled with photos and information of athletes who participated in the Olympic Games. These athletes are whether famous for their exceptional performance or known for the impact that they brought about through their games. Reading the stories about each athlete, I got quite emotional and so amazed at how inspiring they are. Zone 5 is the last area of this exhibition, and the theme of this area is Stronger Together. In the first room of Zone 5, there are a lot of devices with videos of athletes who showcase their journey to the Olympic Games 2020 via the hashtag Stronger Together campaign. This campaign was launched by the International Olympic Committee. In the last room of the exhibition, there are big screens on the wall showing the footage from various games in the past. From the video, you can see how the participants unify and strive for the best, and this indeed shows the true Olympic spirit. That's the end of the exhibition. After I headed outside, I found some interesting installations right in front of the same building. This is called Podium Memories and is an original interactive light installation. As you interact with the installation, you'll be able to see a part of the memories of the Olympic Games. If you walk around Nihonbashi area, you'll be able to find two other impressive artworks as well. There's also a cafe dedicated for this Olympic event, but I didn't have enough time to go there, so couldn't show it to you guys. Anyway, that is the end of the video. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and help me share it with your friends, family, or on your social media. Subscribe for more videos about life and travel in Japan. Have a great weekend, and I will see you again soon. Bye!